back. For real, Chaz in the building. Let's get it. Another reaction. That's what we doing here for the time being. We're just gonna smoke and react. React and smoke with y'all. But the next video that I'm going to watch and react to, which I never seen, so I'm gonna watch it with y'all for the first time, is Killing My Girlfriend's Cat Prank by De'Aaron Ken for Life. That's their channel, De'Aaron Ken for Life, DK4L. Fan of theirs. Keep up with their videos, their pranks and vlogs and all that. So go check their channel out. Show love, subscribe, like, comment, subscribe on my channel and everything. And you know, let's smoke and react. Let's get it.
There be no pretend and role play. You can be my best friend.
What's up, BK gang? So, De'Aaron is gone. She actually went, I don't know if you can see it, but it's a bank right here. She ran to the bank. And I'm going to take this very good opportunity, as you guys know I would, to prank her. So, if you have not read the title, we're going to be utilizing our very first child, Penelope. Don't mind my feet. We are going to hide my special baby here. And I'm going to set up a few cameras. De'Aaron's going to think the cat got out, fell off the balcony or something. You know how people like to speculate. Just going to hide her in the closet. Nothing special. Come on, sweetheart. I'm sorry. I'll be back in a few minutes to get you. Kenny, shh, don't make a noise. Not gonna mess with him. He's fine. Now, I'm gonna set this camera up somewhere in the kitchen so you guys can see the view here, and I'm gonna set this camera up in the bedroom so you can just hear everything and see everything. Also, I'm going to open the balcony door. It's gonna be her first thought of where the cat went. It's gonna be wide open. Any cat could have came out here. She's gonna speculate. She's gonna drive her crazy. It's gonna be hilarious. Let's get to it.
Yeah, like so much time here forever in one day and shit. Lady T. It's a nice ass view though. If you fall asleep on the couch, you'll never be able to stand still. She needs to slap coming right in your motherfucker. They need some big ass curves.
Yeah.
She looking for the cat.
Is the video?
I made it yet. See my ballistic. You ready?
Where the cat at?
Yeah, they should be on there too.
Yeah.
You on there? Huh?
Nope. Yes.
No, they? Nah, somewhere.
Where is Penny?
I don't know.
She's
Did you look around the other one? I left that door open, so they probably rolling out there somewhere. You not out there?
I don't care what you want outside.
What the hell was
I'm
he
talking about in the living room.
outside?
You not out there?
He be trying to play her like she's stupid, dude. she ain't stupid.
Probably somewhere asleep.
She knocked out as she asleep.
Yeah. That was a funny smell there, so I'm trying to air it out. I doubt she went out there. She's not in this other room either?
No, I was closed. When the door opened, I tell you to close that door.
I don't think she would have went out here.
She easily slip through that.
She's gone. That's all.
This door was closed the whole time. I don't think she got in there. She's not under the dresser.
When you know you lost something and you try to help the person find that shit, and you know they don't really know where it's at, and you got to play stupid. You got to play lost right along with them.
If she's not in there, where is she?
I don't know. I don't think she would have. I don't know. Did you check out the closets and stuff? No?
I should have been talking to Fox to be closed.
Just trying to find it. Think she could have slipped through this railing?
Obviously. What?
Let's kick it in. Reality is kicking in like damn. And the cat really jumped off the balcony. It's not funny, but it's really kicking in for sure. I haven't seen it though. I can tell. Just a heart race right now, like thinking, like, damn. See, she looking like, could it be? Like, please. She couldn't. Bring your ass over here.
There was a dead cat in my house. It was kind of disfigured, but it had Penny's collar. So Penny might have said,
Where's the car?
I didn't take the collar off.
Why?
Cat. Dead cat. Touch it.
Why?
Why would
Just left her down here?
I can't pick up a dead cat.
It's Penny.
Listen, I'm sorry. She fell off the balcony.
Why? Because you left the door open?
Yeah.
Every time I tell you, every time the door is open, I tell you to close it.
You're right. I'm sorry. I didn't mean for her to
Why didn't you bring her up here?
It was a dead cat. I can just hear
That's what I tell
it.
you,
And
you get it.
we can both go down and see her together. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You ain't getting no cat for a minute.
Where are the kids? Put her in the kitchen and bring her up here.
candle. We both go down and see it together. Okay? Just sit down. Okay? I'm gonna get the candle. We go down together. Okay? Look. Hey, it's a prank. Look, look. It's a prank. It's a prank. Relax. It's a prank. It's a prank. Benny did not fall off the balcony. It's okay. I'm sorry. I feel bad now. It's okay. I didn't know you would react like that. I didn't even know you would believe me. Hey, Mom. Hey, look, Penny's alive.
Every time the door is open, I tell you to close it.
Penny's alive and healthy and 100% fine. It's okay. It's just a prank. I didn't know you would react like that. Look, say hey to everybody.
No.
Alright. We gotta cut, y'all. We gotta cut. It was a good one, though. Come on in, my little sweet cupcake.
Man. But shit. But you know, females and they pets, they animals, niggas too, males, men too. But I know if I did something like that with my girl, 2 dogs, something like that, she'll freak. Like I said, they ran away or something, and they ain't never coming back home. And I let them out. That's, but their dogs won't run away. They'll run that. They'll come back home. They get treated too good. But if you want to watch the original video, it'll be down in the description. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. For real, Chaz, and I'm out. Stay tuned.